Show us a few reasons to why breaking your home would be a bad idea. Because sometimes bad guys need a reminder.
Go ahead. This is gonna push into your shoulder really hard. This needs to be in your shoulder before you shoot. Okay?
Yeah.
Hey, hold on. Pull this into your shoulder. Pull back with your hand. Okay?
Can I sit?
You can sit. No, I don't want you to sit with this. This is gonna push you back hard.
We'll stand.
Okay.
I put it back on safety because your finger was on trigger.
So, hey, use this hand right here and pull it back into you.